Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina from Love to Wander. We're here at the Caspers Wilderness Park in Orange County, and we're here to do a little hiking and exploring. Sorry for my voice, I've been sick, so we're just here to get out and enjoy some nature. And right now we're doing a little nature trail before we go do on our other hike. This orange stuff that you see right here, can't remember what it was called, but it's a parasite. We're going up Bell Canyon. Not sure how long of a hike this is, but we're on our way. We're just here to check this place out. Hoping to see some wildlife. It's actually a nice little breeze. Nice big trees. They're having problems with branches falling. So some of the trails here are closed because of that. But yeah, we're just here to check it out. We've never been here before. It's a new place. Hoping to see some wildlife. Okay guys, we got some turkey vultures flying over us. Oh look. Got Christine and Susan coming up behind me. It's a little warm. It's probably in the 70s, but it's all sun. And the creek is right down there. At some point we'll be crossing it twice. What the ranger said. It's pretty nice here. A little winded. Like I said, I've been sick the last 2 weeks. It's our first trail intersection. We got Sunrise, which goes that way. And we're on Bell Canyon, which is this way. We're gonna stick to Bell Canyon. Except for vultures. They've been following us. See, they're right there. Big vulture. Turkey vulture. They've been following us. There's 4 of them. Alright guys, we just turned off of Bell Canyon. We're now on a trail called Starrise. This is going to take us back probably another 2 miles back to the Jeep. But look, first creek crossing. And there's supposed to be 2 of them. So yeah, somebody's getting wet. Who's it going to be? Is it going to be Christina? Or Susan? Or Mike? You decide. Heading back towards the Jeep. I think it's going to be about another 2 miles. Just did our first stream crossing, which went well. Not that bad. And we're now completely under clouds. Temperature's dropping. The forest here is like really cool. As you can see, guys, we're headed up a big hill. The valley's down there. There's Susan. She's coming. Christina's right here. We're still going up. GoPro don't show this well, but got a group of horses coming down the trail over there. We got Christina. She made it to almost the top. But yeah, it's a nice little hill. Out of breath. Being sick is not good, but seems like I'm at the top now. So I'm heading across that way. The landscape's pretty cool up here. We must be at the edge of the park because there's a barbed wire fence right there. Landscape up here is beautiful. Looks like you're millions of miles away from anything. It's quiet, which is nice. The fact that it's Sunday, it probably has something to do with it. Alright guys, we're on a single track going downhill now, and we're hearing something that sounds like a mountain lion right over there. We are quail, but about a month or two ago there was a video on Facebook going around of a mountain lion making this squeaky little squeaky sound. We're hearing that sound right over there. Hear it? Don't see anything, but we're keeping our eyes open. As you can see, this trail doesn't get used much. Okay guys, we're pretty much back to the parking lot where the Jeep is. I would say it was probably close to 5 miles. little further than what we planned on going. But if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and well, we'll see you next time. Bye.